Lesson 137. Prepositions aren't just for the prepositional case. So, the most recent case that you have learned is the prepositional case. In Russian, we have 6 different cases for nouns, noun cases, and now you know 5 out of the 6. And so you may be thinking to yourself, well, the prepositional case, since it's called the prepositional case, that must mean that that's the one case that can work with prepositions. But that's not really how it works. In Russian, prepositions can work with 5 out of the 6 cases. Some prepositions will work with the genitive case. Some prepositions will work with the dative case. And you see this phenomenon in other languages that also have inflected noun endings. For example, ancient Greek, Latin, German. In all those languages, prepositions can work with more than one case. And different cases in these languages express different general kinds of meaning. For example, in Latin and Greek, the accusative case shows motion toward something. If you have a preposition like the Greek or Latin word for to or toward, prepositions like that always take the accusative case. And then there are other cases that work with prepositions that show motion away from something. So certain cases work naturally with certain prepositions. And you'll see this more and more as you advance further in your Russian studies. You'll get accustomed to the kinds of things that each case can naturally express with a preposition. And as we say here in the book, the thing that really makes the prepositional case special as far as prepositions go is that it cannot stand by itself. It must have a preposition with it. So that's what really is the connection between the prepositional case and prepositions, is that it has to have one with it, whereas the other cases can fulfill other functions, or they can have a preposition and they can be the object of a preposition.